Assalamu alaikum, this is Dela Hussain in front of you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty. And today I am here for taking an interview of my student. And here is my student. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. What's your full name?
My full name is Shadushan Shubho.
Okay, let's talk about your hobby. What is your hobby?
My hobby is watching movie and traveling.
Okay, what do you do in your free time?
I do by playing game in my free time.
Okay, do you play football?
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about your daily activity. When do you get up every day?
I get up at 4 o'clock every day.
Okay. What do you do fast after getting up?
First of all, I go to washroom, wash my face and brush my teeth.
Okay, do you brush your teeth before going to sleep?
Yeah.
Do you say prayer in the morning?
Yeah, I pray every day in the morning.
Do you take exercise regularly?
Yeah.
How long do you take exercise?
15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. What do you take for your breakfast?
I would like to in my breakfast dates, milk, bread, some breads, etc.
Okay, thank you. This is the end of the interview. Thanks for joining with us and watching the full video with a great patient.